unboxing video to unbox my new luggage. This is the old luggage that I bought when I was coming to New Zealand 4 years ago, but today it's out with the old and in with the new. I am so excited.
One look and I breathe.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you know me, or rather if you saw my photo shoot for when I first arrived in New Zealand, then you know that it was these travel cases. Here is the picture up here. These were my babies that saw me through my first big journey. And if you know also me from Instagram and my small travels within New Zealand, you know that this is what I use. And everybody's been like, Sylvia, the bags, can you bring them for me when you come to South Africa? But yeah, this is what I normally use just around New Zealand. And even sometimes when I'm in South Africa, if I need to be like in Cape Town or something, this is what I use. So what happened was, these, you see, this is the smallest. I've always wanted to buy all like the set for all three of them, but they were so expensive. I think if I was still working full-time, I would have done it a long time ago. But even these were like my first purchase in New Zealand, just rewarding myself with my first or my second pay. But they were also on sale, so I got them just to reward myself. If you know me, I am so comfortable doing things for other people as far as money is concerned. But when it comes to me personally, I become very calculated. So I'm very like calculated with finances around myself, because I'm like, Sylvia, how many more things do you need? Anyway, I got these just to thank myself, and they were on sale and it was great. But now I was like, I need the full set. I need the full set. And here we are 4 years later. I had to dig into my savings to get this 3-piece because it was on sale. It was like 50% off. And I looked at it as a long-term investment, because I will use them for forever. I think I'm going to be using this for such a long time. I have no intention of replacing them. These are going to be this, and what I'm about to unwrap is going to be mine. And these will probably be my husband's. He can use this first. But I will always just be the girl. So let's get right into unboxing. I'm gonna put this away, put the box up here, and see what is inside. Oh, I'm excited. Hey, I got my scissors ready. Let's bring this here. I know now you can't even see my face, but hey, you know what happened, guys, with this package is that it was delivered to the wrong address like 6 days ago, and the person that received the package didn't say anything. I think they asked them because it needed a signature, so they were probably like, hey, here's a package for Sylvia, and I think they just signed for it because they wrote on the thing, I could see the signature, they wrote like Sylvia. So I was very shocked, and I've just been sending emails back and forth. And then I think 3 days ago, the post office gentleman came to drop off something, and I was like, hey sir, did you by any chance drop off a big bag in a different house that was for Sylvia? Because that was mine. I'm Sylvia. And then he was like, nope, not at all. And today it was him. And I was like, you see, I thought about it, because I asked him, do you deliver around this area? And he said yes. But anyway, today he brought it back. I'm so happy. The other thing with this package is that I was trying by all means not to cause a scene, you know, because God was just like, nah, keep calm. They're only bags. You don't need to throw a tantrum. Because with customer service, you can go wild. You can really just be like rude and things. But God was just like, nah, it's only bags. And yeah, I'm glad that I was just like, it's okay, it's only bags. Because now they are here and I'm still intact. I did not lose sleep over it. I did not lose a kidney. So guys, sometimes when you're thinking about complaining, think about it. Is it really worth it? Is it going to change things? Is it not going to make somebody lose their jobs that maybe made a simple mistake? Anyway, enough about the chit-chats. Enough about the chit-chats. Chit-chats. Let's go. But yeah, I am so excited. so excited. So the total price for these bags, guys, all three of them. I'm tired already. Unboxing is just, it's so bad. So let's break the box. Let's break it. Break it. You know what? I'm just gonna fight with this box. Fight with it. Ooh, okay. We're getting there because I need my bags. I've waited 8 days, guys. Over 8 days when you add the time that I ordered. So I need these bags. Let's put it up here. Okay. Oh. Okay, we're getting there. Oh. Getting there. Yeah. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at the girl. And also, guys, the reason I'm excited is because now I have like enough travel bags for when I go back home forever. All my things can fit in absolutely all the bags. Woo! Oh my goodness. Let's look at let's see what's on here. This is so great. So yeah, I bought it at, how much did I pay? I paid 659 New Zealand dollars and I saved 659 New Zealand dollars. So literally 659 New Zealand dollars is around, I'll put it down here somewhere, but let's just say it's 6,600. So I paid 6,600 and saved 6,600 rands. So it's this big one, bag number one, the biggest. And then we have, the middle one, right? And then now I have two of these. And this is me. This is how I'll be traveling, guys. Oh my goodness. And now I have also again these two old ones. Please, guys, don't ask me for anything. Like, honestly, I'm trying to be a good person that loves the Lord and is giving to people. But do not test me on this one, of course. So yes, guys, this is the big reveal. Thank you for unpacking with me. I am so excited. My bags finally arrived and now I am ready. Now all that I need is more travel time. I don't know how, I don't know when, but you know what? It will happen. So this is my unboxing. I'm so happy. I am so happy. Have a beautiful day. Hope you are as excited as I am about these bags. How pretty. But yeah, thank you for your time. Thank you for your data. Thank you for your Wi-Fi. Thank you for watching this crazy video that's just all over the place. And keep well and God bless.